I want to show you this working. So we're in two-wheel drive. I have it up on jack stands so the four wheels are off the ground. Put it in high. You can see we're in two-wheel drive. Now we flip the switch. And you can see we're in four-wheel drive. And notice that when I go from two-wheel drive, now I'm in four-wheel drive. When I give it throttle, you'll see the rear wheels barely spin before the front wheels catch. It's a lot faster than with the all-wheel drive switch that waits for the rear wheels to rotate a certain amount and slip a certain amount before it will actually engage, even though your button was on before. With ours, you're in two-wheel drive. When you flip it over, you're in four-wheel drive immediately.